Hello lovelies, you're highly welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome too. Please make yourself comfortable and be part of this family by clicking the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so you'll be getting notified whenever I put out any new video, guys. You are highly welcome. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make coconut milk from scratch. So let's dive into the video and see how it is made. These are the coconuts I'm gonna be using to make this coconut milk today, and I'm gonna be cracking them. As this one is partly cracked, so I went ahead to heat it over another. So that's how I got all of them cracked, because I don't have any heavy thing I could use at that moment. So I cracked them by hitting one on the other, and they got broken easily, and it was fun and easy. Having cracked the first coconut, I went ahead to take the water from the coconut. In this water, is very nutritious, and it's delicious to drink, and it's healthy, and it's medicinal also. So it's anytime you crack your coconut, don't just waste the water, make use of it, drink it. It's even sold like that in the supermarkets, and people do buy it on special occasions to do their shakes, to drink, to make their juice and all that. So coconut water is very important when cracking your coconut. Grab the water and don't waste it, and that's what you see me did there. Now I went ahead, after I've cracked open all the coconuts, I peeled the back, this brownish back skin. I peeled the skin off to make it white, so that we can get a very clear white milk and not a brownish or cloudy milk. When I'm done peeling the back or the skin of the coconuts, so I proceeded to chopping it into pieces, smaller particles, to make it easier for blending. You can do this on a chopping board, but I prefer using this method because I'm more faster with it. Having chopped them into the desired sizes, I proceeded to blending to get our milk. I added more water to help the blending, and when I see it wasn't enough, like it wasn't blending well, I had to add more water all over. And know that the amount of water you add to your blending is the quantity of milk you are expecting. So if you desire the thicker part of milk, like a milk that is more thick, more concentrated, you add a little water. You don't have to add too much. But if you want a flowing milk or light milk, then you add more water. So I didn't add too much water here. I wanted the milk to be milky, like very milky. So when I extracted it, I got a very tasty and milky coconut milk. Like the whole taste of the coconut really came out well. Yeah, so I had to sieve it. This my sieve works well. It is tight, the eyes are tight, so I really got a very smooth milk without chaff. If you don't have a perfect sieve, you can also add a cheese cloth, or any socks or wig cap to help you get the extract so they don't get to mix with the milk. Yeah, this is the milk afterwards. You can see how thick it is. Coconut milk is the #1 plant-based milk. It's very nutritious with healthy fats and proteins. It's ideal for weight loss. It's ideal for keto and for vegans too. So it's very healthy, handy, and easy to make. I continued blending the rest of the coconuts batch by batch till I finished blending the whole coconut, and I came out with this quantity of milk. Guys, this milk is really delicious, very refreshing and nutritious. It's easy to make and affordable. Please try it at home. Fresh from home milk. I even use this coconut milk to make a hair lotion, a hair moisturizing lotion, and I will be bringing forward to that video. Just watch out, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.